Ideas for your plant-loving friends and family. How about a Click and Grow Smart Garden? Let's start with the Smart Garden 3. This comes with a pack of basil pods and the garden fully assembled, so it's literally plug and play. No skill or green thumb required. There's also 2 lamp extension arms for raising the light as the plants get taller. My favorite use for this one is keeping a few fresh herbs right in my food prepping area. It's also nice for growing flowers to add a pop of color to an office or living space, especially during those gloomy winter months. Right now I have some basil which can grow pretty tall. I also have some yellow tomatoes over here ready to be plucked off, and harvesting these will help direct the plant's energy towards producing more tomatoes. Over the summer I did chili peppers and strawberries, and I got curious to see how they would do outside. The growth definitely took off, so transferring out of the Smart Garden is always an option. Let's talk about the Smart Garden 9. This is similar to the 3, but holds 9 plants and comes with a good little selection of green lettuce, mini tomatoes, and basil. I should also point out, it is 4 p.m. and pitch black outside, so if you're somewhere that lacks adequate sunlight during the day, Smart Gardens come in handy for indoor gardening during the winter. Both gardens come with these plant cups, which are fine, but I highly recommend the perforated cups. These have openings that allow the roots to grow down into the tank, increasing yield and lifespan. Very beneficial for the fruiting plants. Check out the selection of plants though. This isn't even a third of the options. These gardens are so low maintenance and easy to use that they would be a nice gift for anyone, even yourself. If you're considering one of these, now is the time to act, because through the link under my list of gift ideas, you can get 25% off throughout the entire month of December. If you have any questions at all about these products, let me know. Happy holidays!